Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking all about Trello, a powerful project management tool to use for productivity as well as any business model. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So if you guys have ever used Monday.com or ClickUp as project management tools, then you'll be right at home with Trello. Only that the way Trello deviates from those other project management tools is that it's more streamlined and simplified, and in some ways, that's actually a good thing. Because at the end of the day, being easier to understand means less time wasted, and Trello excels in this. If you're a project manager just starting out and you haven't used anything complex like ClickUp or Monday with a lot of features and automations, then Trello might just be the tool for you. Now, the reason for its efficiency lies in its UI design. As you can see here on my screen, Trello's user interface is very streamlined and easy to understand. It breaks down into three main sections. So there's boards, lists, and cards. And honestly, that's all you need to get the message across, especially in terms of business productivity. So it reads Trello is a productivity powerhouse, simple, flexible, and powerful, which I can agree with. All it takes are boards, lists, and cards, like the three sections I mentioned to you guys earlier, to get a clear view of who's doing what and what needs to get done. So, Trello in a nutshell is project management without complicating things. So, it doesn't have to be broken down into detail or stuff like specifications, although in some cases that may be a good thing, but depending on your business model, Trello might be more beneficial for or might synergize more with your business model. Now, let's do an overview of the three sections here. So, boards talks about keeping tasks organized and work moving forward. In a glance, see everything from things to do to, oh yeah, we did it. So this very much goes in line with the simplistic nature of Trello, which I think is pretty cool too. Now, moving on to lists, the different stages of a task start as start as simple as to do, doing or done, or build a workflow custom fit to your team's needs. There's no wrong way to Trello. So this obviously talks more about the flexibility that Trello offers when it comes to the tasks that need to be done, as well as the workflows and practices that your company needs to follow in order to get projects done. Now, cards represent tasks and ideas and hold all the information to get the job done. So this actually talks about the details. It's in a totally separate section. As you make progress, move cards across the list to show their status. So that's pretty cool. Now let's move on to the next section. Trello in action, workflows for any project, big or small. So let's start off with project management. Project management obviously goes without saying, keeps tasks in order, deadlines on track, and team members aligned with Trello. Now, meetings, it goes without saying that meetings are super vital to a company's success. Meetings empower your team meetings to be more productive. I guess this talks about Trello meetings, their way of doing it. So more productive, empowering, and dare we say fun. So I suppose that the way they designed their huddles or meetings, there are a bunch of cool things they can do there, like maybe interact with the people on the call or send emojis or whatnot. So all of this in the spirit of team building. So I suppose that's how Trello deviates from um, more serious project management tools like ClickUp and Monday.com. Onboarding. So this is a program or a work practice where it says onboarding to a new company or project is a snap with Trello's visual layout of to-dos, resources, and project progress tracking. So the last three being task management, brainstorming, and resource hub. Now, task management says use Trello to track, manage, complete, and bring tasks together like the pieces of a puzzle, and make your team's projects a cohesive success every time. So Trello's design actually allows the work experience to be more fun. They do so by alerting you with updates in a fun way and to bring everyone up to speed. Now, brainstorming, unleash your team's creativity and keep ideas visible, collaborative, and actionable. Resource Hub, save time with a well designed hub that helps teams find information easily and quickly. So, this talks about a built in database that is easy to navigate and use. So these are just some of the use cases or utilizations that you can make out of Trello. So moving on, we can see here that there are a bunch of testimonies for Trello. So there's one by Joey Rosenberg, the global leadership director at Women Who Code, who said, Trello is great for simplifying complex processes. As a manager, I can chunk processes down into bite sized pieces for my team and then delegate that out, but still keep a bird's eye view. So that's what Trello excels at, simplifying complex processes. Because, like I said at the start of the video, at the end of the day, we want everyone to be on the same page and to understand just what we're doing. Now let's take a look at another one here by Sumit Moghi. I hope I pronounced that right. Whether someone is in the office, working from home, or working on site with a client, everyone can share context and information through Trello. So, need we say more? That's all you really need for a healthy work environment. So yeah, that's Trello in a nutshell. So if you guys found this guide video helpful, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like these, you can do so by subscribing to our channel and making sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.